And a big update now coming in with regards to the same case on Bengal woman trainee doctor murder probe. Police has now added the rape section in this case. Remember earlier we told you that one person has also been detained in this case.
The father has alleged brutal rape and then murder. The indications from the reports are that she was brutally raped. And that to the seminar hall, and she was on duty. Imagine if women are not safe in a government-run college after duty, on a government-run hospital after duty, under the watch of Home Minister and Health Minister Mamata Banerjee, what their plight might be in Sandesh Khali. And instead of ensuring the truth and instead of ensuring that justice is delivered to the victim's family, Mamata Banerjee's government has constituted an inquiry committee which has interns and which has members who are close to the TMC party. What will be their attempt? To cover up the truth, to bury the truth. The state government should immediately go for a CBI probe.
Our editor East, Kamalika Sen Gupta, is joining us on the broadcast. Kamalika, BJP is clearly touching upon the Sandesh Khali incident. Yet another time we heard from BJP's Shehzad Poonawalla. What's the word that you are picking up from Trinamool Congress's camp at this point of time?
Trinamool Congress clearly saying that this is an unfortunate incident and investigation is taking place and police has already formed a seat, and this is whoever has done such acts, they will be punished or he is punished. That is what the stand of Trinamool Congress is. But the question, there are various questions to this case. Number one is a government hospital, a government college in proper Calcutta, which is a very famous government college in Calcutta. Where is the security? That is the question. Where is the security system in this college where one female doctor, student doctor is not safe? That is the question which the other doctors are raising. And they have gone for a no work since yesterday. And now what we are getting that in other government colleges also this thing has spread. Other colleges doctors have stood by this case in solidarity. They are doing candle marches. A lot of protests are happening. The junior doctors, they are of the opinion, they have demanded for a judicial inquiry. They have demanded that they don't have CCTV in proper places. They have demanded for 24/7 security, which has not been provided to them. They have said that they want justice. Till they have got all these promises, they are going to continue with the no work. So clearly the doctors, junior doctors fraternity, they are very upset about this, and they have actually taken into these roads. On the other hand, the state the police has formed a SIT, and as we know that one person was detained last night and he has been arrested. This person was an outsider, Shonjoy Rai. He was an outsider to this hospital. That's what we are coming to know. State Women Commission has sought a report from this. Chief Minister has spoken to the victim's family. But the big question is, where is the security in a government college in Kolkata, which is a very renowned government college, and what happens? What is the administration thinking of the security of the doctors in hospital?
Indeed, Kamalika, that's the question that we'll continue to ask as well. Thank you so much for putting across all of those crucial information for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you for more developments on that. Right now, we have picked up some more ground reports and reactions straight from the ground over this particular story. Take a look at all of those.
Mysterious death of a 31 years old female medical PG student in a very affluent college, that is RG Kar Medical College in Kolkata, is really putting question. Now what we are getting is that this victim's body was recovered around 11:30 from this third floor of this building of RG Kar Medical College, which is known as the seminar hall. Now after that, the police commissioner, all the senior officers of police have come here. They are investigating the matter. The forensic team too has come and they are also investigating the matter. The sources from the doctors inside the hospital said that yesterday in the night she had dinner and she was in call on. That means she was on duty, but around late night she went to the seminar hall to take rest. After that, from morning, there was no trace of this female female student, and then then a group of doctors, junior doctors, students, they found her body there. That's what we are getting it from the doctor's source. On the other hand, the victim's mother, she has told that she feels that this is a murder. Last night, she had a talk with her mother, and after that, she was absolutely okay. That's what the mother says, and she says the spectacle was broken. She says, the mother says that there was injury on his body, on her body, and she says that it is a murder she feels. On the other hand, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has called this victim's parents.
এর তদন্ত চলছে। মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী তিনি মৃতার পরিবারের সঙ্গে, বাবার সঙ্গে কথা বলেছেন। স্বাস্থ্য সচিব ঘটনাস্থল। আমরা এই মুহূর্তে পুলিশের উপর পূর্ণ আস্থা রেখে তদন্তের দিকে তাকিয়ে আছি।
পরিবারের লোকজন অভিযোগ করছে যে ধর্ষণ করে খুন করা হয়েছে।
আমি তো বললাম যে যেহেতু একটা অভিযোগ তারা করেছেন, তাদের বাড়ির লোক, তাদের আশঙ্কা থেকে কোনো অভিযোগ তারা করতে পারেন, কিন্তু তার সেটাও তো খতিয়ে দেখতে হবে। হয় আচমকা কোনো অসুস্থতাজনিত কারণে মারা গেছেন, আর না হলে কোনো অপরাধজনিত কারণের শিকার হয়েছেন। এই গোটা বিষয়টাই পুলিশ খতিয়ে দেখছে, সর্বশক্তিতে তদন্ত করছে। মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী নিজে মৃতার বাবার সঙ্গে কথা বলেছেন। পুলিশ পুরোদস্তুর চেষ্টা করছে প্রকৃত ঘটনা তুলে আনতে।
जो जिस हालत में उनका बॉडी मिला गया, कंप्लीटली निर्वस्त्र और बहुत बॉडी में ब्रूइसेस, खत जो है बहुत ज़्यादा, इसको देखकर लगता है उसको रेप करके खून किया गया है। तो हम लोग का दाबी है सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो, और ऐसे भी शाम के वक्त के बाद आप पोस्टमार्टम नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन यहाँ पर इन लोग पोस्टमार्टम कर रहे हैं, ये हमको सुनने में आ रहा है। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि परिवार ये बोले कि वो प्रिजर्व करे बॉडी, और कल हम लोग केंद्रीय सरकार के कोई
And in fact, the nurses of the nurses of the hospital concerned here, the hospital currently in question, it's a medical hospital, the government affiliated medical hospital, one of the very reputed and famous hospitals of Kolkata, RG Kar, where this shocking incident actually transpired. You can see the nurses of this concerned hospital at this point of time protesting about this horrific incident that transpired there in a very reputed and a very famous hospital there in West Bengal. West Bengal woman doctor's death has now shocked the nation. On Friday itself, the dead body of a female doctor was found under some mysterious circumstances. What we are learning from our sources, one person who has been arrested in this particular case, our reporter has told us that he is not affiliated with the hospital, he was an outsider. The victim was a second-year postgraduate student of this particular medical college, which is RG Kar Medical College. As we spoke of it earlier also, it's a government affiliated, very reputed and famous medical college of West Bengal. A woman's body was found dead inside the seminar hall on the 3rd floor of the campus in semi-naked position as well. In fact, our editor is Kamalika Sen Gupta is back with us on the broadcast. Kamalika, we are learning and in fact see through the visuals as well that the nurses are carrying out this particular protest, demanding the justice in this horrific case as well.
Yes, because definitely security is a big concern for the nurses of this area also, of this college and other colleges also, and they have stood by in solidarity with, because this is a very heinous crime. That's what we are getting it from the sources, and that's why not only the nurses are out, yesterday the doctors went out with candles on road, and what we are coming to know that the other government colleges, they have also gone for a protest and they have also started no work. Clearly, big question on the security of this hospital, and also from various sources we are getting the preliminary PM report also says that there are injury, and the mother, the victim's mother clearly told us that when she saw the body, she has seen multiple injuries. Now, what type? They were what we are getting is from the sources that there were serious injuries. The PM report is not very good. The PM report says that as we have come to know from various sources, that there were multiple injuries. That's what the doctors are also saying, who are there inside the hospital. So that is a very, very, very big heinous crime. That's what we are coming to know, and that's the murder case, along with rape charges have been added to it. Clearly, it's a very big question on the security of a very important government hospital in Kolkata.
Definitely, Kamalika. In fact, earlier you also touched upon how the rape section has recently been added in this particular case. One person, according to the sources, has also been detained in this particular matter. Please tell us more about the sections imposed against him. Also, Kamalika, do we have any knowledge of the CCTV footage that has been collected by the cops?
See, the CCTV in this seminar hall where the PO is, that means the point of occurrence is, there was no CCTV. That's what we are coming to know from the sources. But there are other CCTVs, entry and exit points. Police have investigated that. Police has taken that. That's what we are coming to know. But definitely the big thing is that the sections which has been added is on the basis of the complaint of the victim's parent is 64. Which means rape, according to the BNS News, and also 103 section has been added, which is murder. So this case is now the murder, according to the new law BNS. So this is one thing which has been done. A special investigative team has been formed by the Kolkata Police. Kolkata Police is investigating in every way. BJP is demanding for a CBI inquiry, but definitely the big question is why there is no proper security. How can such a crime happen inside the hospital? It's not outside the hospital, it's inside the hospital, in the seminar hall, when this student, she was in call on. That means she was in duty. She went there to take some rest. That's what we are coming to know from the sources inside the college. And then such a incident has taken place, which is indeed puts very big question on the security system of this college.
Definitely. Kamalika, also if we were to talk about Trinamool Congress's Supremo's conversation with the victim parents, what kind of assurance has been provided by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to the parents of the victim?
What we are coming to know, the parents have said that she has assured that justice will take place. Whoever has done this crime, they are not going to be spared and highest punishment will be given. That's what that assurance has been given. But the parents who have lost their daughter, for them they have totally shattered. They are just saying that they spoke with her last night, day before yesterday, last night, after dinner, and then they got this news that their daughter is no more. And when they came here, they saw the body, they were horrified because they were saying that it was a semi-nude dead body, and there was no dress on that, and on top of that there were injury marks. Her cackle was broken. So clearly the family is shattered.
Definitely, Kamalika. Thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective.